Hello everyone and welcome to we're making this yummy and refreshing shrimp cocktail. So let's get to it. You're going to need around 2 pounds of shrimp. We're using large shrimp and it's already deveined, and make sure you leave the shell on. For the veggies, you're going to need cucumber, 1 red onion, 1 tomato, lemon or lime, and a bunch of cilantro. We also need salt, ketchup, and tomato and clam juice, or in Spanish we call it Clamato. If you like spice, like me, you can use either Tapatio or Valentina hot sauce, any of your choice of hot sauce. And let's not forget, I strongly suggest using saltine crackers or saladitas. And let's not forget our avocado. Let's start by chopping our veggies. I'm going to start chopping the cucumber. You're gonna chop all your veggies into small squares. You can use the seeds. I'm gonna leave the seeds on mine, but you can take them out if you want. So make sure that you don't chop all your cilantro. Leave a little bit because this is when we're going to use it when we boil our shrimp. And time to chop our tomato. We're chopping everything roughly about the same size in smaller chunks. You can use more or less tomato if you want, depending if you like tomato. And of course, my favorite vegetable to chop is the onion, because you know, I love to cry every time I chop this vegetable. This is prepping me for my acting skills. And I'm so dramatic as well too. Here we go. Let's see if I can make it without crying with this thing. Mission failed, guys. Nope, I couldn't make it without crying. The onion just has a stronghold in my heart. Makes me cry every time I chop it. We're going to bring to boil around 3 quarts of water, or enough that is gonna cover your shrimp really well. We're not putting the shrimp yet until it's all boiled. Okay, the water is boiling now. It's time to add our salt. We're gonna add a little bit of cilantro. Okay. Now it's time to add the shrimp. And like I mentioned, make sure you boil your shrimp with the skin on or the shell on, and we're gonna throw them in. Okay, now that you've thrown on your shrimp, turn it off, cover it, let them soak in the water for 3 to 5 minutes, and they're gonna completely cooked, because you don't want to overcook them because then they get rubbery. We remove the pot from the stove. Our shrimp should be all cooked already, and we're getting ready to plate our shrimp cocktail. Next thing, yeah, shrimp is ready. They're completely cooked. Time to take out our shrimp. Time to plate our shrimp cocktail. So start peeling off your shrimp completely. Careful because they're kind of hot. They don't have to be completely cool to be able to start eating them. You're gonna add as many as you want. Time to add our veggies. You can put as much of each one as you want. Starting with the cucumber, the tomato, onion, and cilantro. We are going to add our lemon. and as well for ketchup, hot sauce, and or clamato. So you can put as much as you want, depending how spicy you want it. Ketchup is depending how tomatoey you want it. And clamato, I don't like putting too much of mine because I don't want it to be too tomatoey either. And our last step is to add the water where our shrimp was cooking in. This is where all the flavors are. And we mix everything together. And the last ingredient to add is our avocado. We always add this last. Look at the colors of this. Looks so delicious. Time for my favorite part, just trying it out. That is yummy. Trying.